A pre-owned 2013 Cadillac Escalade ESV Luxury. 2013 Cadillac Escalade ESV Luxury. Command every road in first-class comfort. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Cadillac has less than 111,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 13 miles per gallon in the city and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Experience full-size luxury in this 2013 Cadillac Escalade ESV Luxury, finished in stunning white diamond tricoat with a premium ebony leather interior. Powered by a 6.2L flex fuel V8 delivering 403 horsepower and 417 lb-ft of torque, this SUV offers impressive performance while running on gasoline or E85 ethanol. Inside, enjoy heated and ventilated front seats, spacious second and third row seating, a premium Bose audio system, touchscreen infotainment, navigation, and hands-free connectivity. Safety features include a rear-view camera, rear park assist, stability control, and multiple airbags for added confidence. With under 111,000 miles, less than 8,000 miles per year, this Escalade has been lightly driven and remains in excellent overall condition. A clean CARFAX report provides extra peace of mind. Combining luxury, power, comfort, and versatility, this Escalade ESV Luxury is ready for family adventures, road trips, or daily driving in style. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, battery saver, tow hooks, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.